Hey there, friends! Today I'm here to share with you the brand new goodies released today with the Elle Studio June 2019 kit and add-ons. So let's take a look at the kit first and foremost. Each Elle Studio kit comes with two die cut sheets that are easy just to pop right out. This is the first one. It has all of the beautiful colors this month included in the die cuts. You also get three 4x6-inch tags. I'm just grabbing the other die cut so you can take a look at this. I love the fun colorful hexagons on this one. So there's lots of little journaling spots in the kit this month for you to add your notes or the date onto your projects. Here are the two 4x6 tags and then this beautiful hexagon yellow one as well. There's going to be a lot of yellow coming up, which I'm excited about because it's one of my favorite colors. I love that yellow sun 3x4-inch tag. There's lots of bright pops of color this month, but the other great thing is that there's a lot of white too. So if you like a nice clean look on your pocket pages and projects, then this is a great kit for you. I love that relax tag and you'll see me use that in my process video this month. I'm going to be creating a traveler's notebook spread, so be sure that you check that out in my video feed. I love this cut apart too. You can use that all together or cut it apart into labels. That Good Times Together red one is fun. There's a nice green grid there. The Just Having Fun circles and the really fun orange tag. So the June labels, as you can see here, coordinate perfectly with the June kit. We also have the On This Day in June journaling tags. That's hard to say. You get 8 3x4-inch journaling tags in one pack. We have Here's the Story journaling tags. These are a great way to get some more words onto your projects. The summer phrase stickers, just like they say they are, perfect summer phrases. I love Too Hot for Me. That's every day here in southern Texas. Next up, we have some new Puffy alphabet stickers. We have the lime green Puffy alphas here, and we also have green. So two beautiful shades of green, and you can see how they compare here when I hold them together. We also have the summer puffy stickers. These are so fun. The hearts are by far my favorite part, and I love the flip-flops. I have no idea how I'm going to use those flip-flops on a project because I just want to keep them forever, but I'm going to try. So be sure to grab those before they're gone because they're sure to be popular. This is the Best Friends Acrylic, and I just love this beautiful script font that Ellie is using right now. Here's the Family Acrylic. And moving along with embellishments, let's go to the wood veneers. We have these awesome wood veneer stars, and what I love about these is that you have the really big star shapes in outline, and then you have the insides in the solid stars as well. Staying with the wood veneer, these are the summer wood veneers, and look at how cute these are. They kind of have a food theme, so if you're grilling out a lot this summer, if you're having some lemonade, fresh squeezed lemonade, fresh and good on the grill, which is a great one, sweet treats and picnic time. I love all of them. They're so cute. We have three new stamps this month. The Summertime stamp. This is a great one if you love that script font as well. You have the Friends, Best, and Family in that script. You have the Just Having Fun circle, Good Times Together, and that long, kind of solid label, which I really love. We also have an addition to the large Jane number and alpha stamps, and it's the stars, which I absolutely love. I used them on both of my projects this month, so be sure to check those out because they are gorgeous when you layer them on top of the solid large Jane alphabet stamp. Here's the kit this month. Like I said, there's lots of bright pops of color, really beautiful saturated colors, but a lot of white as well, so you don't have to go overboard on your projects. The add-ons are equally full of color and so many fun embellishments, so be sure to check out the Elle Studio June 2019 kit and add-ons while they're still in the shop today at the link in my video notes. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating!